Hello! Today I'm going to do something a little tasty. So I'm going to do these donuts. I just did a little sketch, but I want to see how free I can be. So I'm going to take some watercolors and just dab some water in there. And I do have some acrylic paints that I'm going to use for this. So I just took a little dab of blue, magenta, and I've got some like oxide color there that is kind of like a donut cake color. I have a little bit of white as well. So I'm going to just keep trucking along here and see what I can do. I'm looking at pictures of donuts and I'm just thinking, like, how free can I just be with this? Let's mix a little bit of like an underpainting here. I don't want them too green. I don't want to do that too green. So let's add a little tiny bit of orange there. Get it a little brownish. I just want to keep this really fun and see how I can get this to look a little more freeform. There's my little brown. Okay. So I just want to get in a little bit of where these donuts are. Okay. And these look like they've got a little sugar on top, so I think I might take some of that white afterwards and put a little sugar on top of my acrylic paint. So I've got some watercolor that I'm using and I have some acrylic that I'm using. Alright, I'm going to get down a little bit of the center here of the donut, because that can be dark. We can use kind of almost like an underpainting there. And a little bit in that center over there. And then I've got another one over here that I'm going to do. So I'm going to actually let this drip. I'm going to have a little fun with it. You know, I'm not really worried about how it comes out too much because I just want to experiment and try little different things here. So now I'm going to do some of the frosting. I'm going to get some of my pink, and I'm going to use my acrylic for this because I want to get the pink that I want. So I'm using magenta, and I'm going to water it down. I'm going to put some white in it. And we'll see how this comes out. Yeah, okay, that's good. Alright, I'm going to water it down pretty good. Happy little donuts. There we go.